Now, I was broke as shit, and I realized there was one word I needed to stop saying. And when I replaced this word in my life, my financial life changed forever, and it happened fast. So think about it. I really need money. I really need a new client. I really need someone to hire, or hire me because I need help or I need my bills paid, right? So think about it like this. If you're on a first date, okay, and the person on your date tells you that they really need a boyfriend or girlfriend, they don't care who it is, and they really need them right now so they aren't alone. They really need someone as soon as possible. Would you be attracted to that, or would you be like, I gotta go to the bathroom, and then you like climb out the bathroom window and run away, right? Because needy is creepy. And when it comes to money, it works the exact same way. The more you say that you need money, even if you do, the more you increase the importance of money and you decrease the importance of yourself. You're putting money on a pedestal, and then you're throwing your hands on your knees or like this, and you're begging it to come into your life, metaphorically speaking, hoping that some money god will grant your wishes if you're needy enough, right? So then it's hard to get a sale. It's hard to be open to receiving unexpected money when you desperately need it. The clients and the customers could be yours, but they're subconsciously feeling this energy that makes them say, get away from me. They can feel your desperation because needy is creepy. Comment that down below. Needy is creepy. So have you noticed how rich people will just buy whatever they feel like, right? Maybe it makes you mad, right? I want that house. Let me buy it. I want that first class vacation. Let's go. Come on, we'll go tomorrow. Not needing money is what's in their head. Not needing it. The things that you want in life, when you don't need them, they come. Because the universe gives you what you give out. So when you give out an energy of need, you can't attract back to you an energy of abundance. There's a vibrational incongruence. So if you notice how people are living their lives, right? They're saying, I need money. I need the government to change. I need my boss to stop being an a-hole, right? I need this to happen. I need that to happen. Things will be better if it just happens. I need it. Why isn't it not? Right? Think about it. You know, you totally live in an abundant world. More money's printed every single solitary day, so much they decrease the value of it. There's 7 billion people in the world. You can attract awesome things into your life every day, every week, and every month. You can build your dream business from the comfort of your home. You couldn't do that 100 years ago. You could travel wherever you want to go. You can have all of the things that you want to have in life. There's internet that connects us all around the world. Think about how abundant you are. 100 years ago, you would be the richest person in the world if you had a phone or computer to watch this right now. You live in a friendly universe that wants to support you. It wants to support you. But when you're not in vibrational congruence with it, then it's just waiting. There's a beautiful quote, it's by Lao Tzu, and he used to say, the world reveals itself to the one who needs nothing. So think about the aura that kind of mindset exudes. Wouldn't you want to do business with someone that has no scent of neediness and desperation? And speaking of scents, you probably want them to wear deodorant or something too, but just think about it, right? Romantic relationship, right? If they have that, you're done. And vice versa, there's this weird psychological thing where when the person doesn't come on super strong, guess what? You're more attracted to them. You want them more when they aren't coming on strong, when they don't need you, right? With whatever you need, it evades you. And it's the exact same thing with money. When you don't come from this place of I need it, I need this client, I need this raise, I need this to happen, then what happens? You stop being repellent for what you want. And when you come from abundance, I don't need anything. I'm totally whole, I'm totally complete, I know the money's on the way, I know I'm good enough, I know I'm smart enough. Your reality mirrors that because your self-worth is a reflection of your net worth, right? That's how simple it is, but it doesn't mean it's always easy, right? You don't desperately need money. You don't desperately need anything. So I invite you to eliminate the word need and start using I am. I don't need. I am abundant. I am a magnet to money. I am getting richer and richer. I am making other people richer. I am now attracting the perfect people in the perfect circumstances for my financial success. I'm open to receiving new and unexpected opportunities. I'm getting better and better every day. And I exemplify that in the energy that I am. Right? And I notice that I had money for food today, right? I notice that I have money for gas. I notice that I have a clean shirt. I notice that I have a camera right now that I can broadcast to you from all over the world. I am abundance. There's people listening to my message right now. I'm feeling better and better about my continued success. I have a warm home. I have money in my bank account. I am confident that it's ready to grow and grow. Notice that energy, right? You could feel it, right? It's an attractive energy that brings what you want to you. And I understand that sometimes it's hard to do, especially when your five senses are telling you everything else, or you're dealing with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years of negative conditioning, childhood conditioning. And that's where success hypnosis comes into play. And I have a free success hypnosis. It's pinned to the comments and in the description right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's my free success hypnosis to start to reprogram your subconscious mind. Because here's the thing, the subconscious will keep playing old, negative, redundant things that block you from what you want. And it can seem like you're stuck like that. But the crazy thing is that it's actually able to be updated and changed through repetition. And all you got to do is listen for a couple minutes every day. It's free right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Now, what's important to realize is you're always aware of what you're attracting into your life if you slow down and get in touch with your body. How do I feel? What are the words that I'm using? What type of emotions are they creating? Right? And there was a while ago where I thought I needed things to happen. I thought I needed a book publishing contract to fulfill my dreams. And all the companies kept saying no. And I kept thinking that I need someone to believe in me, just one person to believe in me. Why does no one believe in me? I just need one break and then I'll show them. And then I thought, what would it look like if I didn't need anything? Well, maybe Barnes & Noble all across America would start to stock my books. Like, what would it look like? And I imagined that I could see myself with my books next to my favorite author, Wayne Dyer. So I went to Barnes & Noble and I started putting my self-published books next to Wayne Dyer's and just leaving them there. And then I'd sit and I would do something called a replacement visualization. So what I would do is I would sit in those little leather chairs at Barnes & Noble, put my self-published book next to Wayne Dyer, and then I would start to imagine that it really was there. People are picking it up off the shelf, buying it. And the craziest thing started to happen. Guess what? I stopped needing it and I started being it. And then I ended up getting a book deal with Penguin Random House, the #1 English publishing company in the world. I sold 20,000 copies of that self-published book. And then Penguin Random House paid me for 2 more books that got translated into other languages. It led to building a multi-million-dollar business. All of this happened just because my energy shifted. And your pure energy. The money you want is energy. The relationship that you want is energy. The paycheck that you want, the car, the house, the travel, whatever it is that you want is pure energy. So when you get on the frequency of it, you become it. And every single thing is energy. And everything you want already exists. And when that happens, you realize you already are a millionaire. You already are a best-selling author. You already are making 6 figures. You already have doubled your income. You already live in your dream house. This energy brings it to you instantaneously because you shift your point of attraction. So I invite you to replace I need with I am. And then think about how you can create the replacement visualization for wealth, just like I did at the Barnes & Noble. The replacement visualization. Every part of your life where you keep saying you need, whether it's for clients, selling a house, practice a replacement visualization. What would the opposite look like? What would the opposite feel like? And then start to replace those rejections, replace those failures. And then you start to build a new mental software where you realize that you're good enough, you're smart enough, you're a magnet to money. And once your subconscious believes it, that's when you start to see it in your bank account. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to get my free success hypnosis right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com, pinned to the comments and in the description right there down below. If you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe, bell notification right over there, and comment down below I am a magnet to money.